Hello, Park Hyatt!
Hello, Park Hyatt!
Hope everybody has been well. We are back for another... Are you copying me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that again. Hello,
about him.
You stepped on my lines. How many? We talked about this in rehearsal. Hello, Park Hyatt! We are back with another installment of Park Hyatt at Home. I am Chef Matt, and this is Chef Zoe. And today, we are going to do one of my favorite classic French desserts, the pot de creme. Let me see.
And it tastes good with milk.
Okay, Zoe, are you ready to get started? We're going to separate the eggs. Do you know what the two parts of an egg are?
Yolk
Yep.
and egg. White.
White. Good, good. So we're going to learn how to separate our yolks. We need 5 egg yolks. Are you going to help me? Okay. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Wait, I'll show you one time. We break it on the table, on the flat surface, so no pieces of shell go into the egg, okay? Okay. And the yellow yolk goes in the bowl. You did it! Amazing! Great job! Child prodigy. Very nice. But you're going to be a lawyer, right?
No.
You don't want to be a chef, right? So we have our 5 egg yolks in a bowl. And into this we're going to add 50 grams of sugar. You want to help me dump it in?
I can do that fast.
See how I do it? We got to keep it in the bowl. Here, help me count the chocolate chips. So we need 5 ounces of chocolate chips. Can you tell me how many chocolate chips that is? Are you able to count any faster?
4, 5, 6.
Okay, you taste the chocolate chips, I will measure the chocolate chips. 5 ounces of chocolate chips.
Yummy.
How are they? Are they good? What do they taste like? Tell me.
They taste like chocolate, but I don't like nothing.
We don't skimp on ingredients here at the Garelick household. 60% cacao, bittersweet chocolate. You could use semi-sweet chocolate chips, is fine, but try to use the best chocolate you could find. We scalded the milk and cream, which means that we brought it up just until it's very, very hot. It has a skin forming on the top, and we're going to pour this over our chocolate.
It smells like mac and cheese.
It smells like mac and cheese? Huh. The chocolate cream mixture is hot. Right? If we pour that right into our egg yolks, it'll cook the egg yolks right away, which we don't want to happen, right? So what we're going to do is temper the mixture. First, we add a little bit of the hot liquid. This will slowly raise the temperature of the eggs. Okay. Stir it up. Here you go. All right, so we have our oven is set to 300 degrees, and we will bake for 30 to 40 minutes. And what we're looking for is for the edges around the ramekin to be set, but the center will still be just a little bit jiggly. Do you think while our custards are baking, we can make some whipped cream? Right? Even a kid could do it.
Even a grown-up.
Okay. She's a natural. Great. Couldn't be a natural doctor, huh? All right.
I
Now-
want one last taste.
That's what we're looking for. Well, hello. As you can see, Zoe did my hair for this special occasion. I hope you all like it. We have our finished pot de creme. Zoe took care of putting the whipped cream on top. If you want to be fancy, we have a little bit of mint from our garden. All right. You ready to give it a try? So what was that? 5 ingredients, right? Mixed it all up. We put it in the oven.
Eat it now.
Okay, give it a taste. How is it? Good? You only had whipped cream. You didn't even have any of the chocolate.
I like whipped cream.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, like intense chocolate flavor. I hope you enjoy making the chocolate pot de creme as much as we did. It was great hanging out with you here at my home, and we'll see you next week. Really nice job on that one. Hit the rock.
Hi, Park Hyatt at home.